My name is Stefan von Tausch. I have selected Peixinhos da horta, also known as the deep fried green beans, from the country Portugal. I chose Portugal because when I was doing errands the one day, I saw a red and green flag from some neighbor's house being displayed on a pole and in the air waving. Out of curiosity, I researched the flag and I learned it was Portugal. I have never been there before and never known what foods they serve over there. This would serve as the best opportunity to bring this to this course special project. Peixinhos da horta has a nickname called Little Fish in the Garden. Introduced to Japan in the 16th century by Jesuit missionaries, the battering and frying technique used in this dish to become the inspiration for Japanese tempura. For the revision, I am substituting the flat Italian green beans for pole green beans. I was unable to find fresh or frozen Italian green beans in stores. However, this dish is healthy and it is okay to deep fry the green beans for this activity. But it is unhealthy to deep fry the green beans too often. Even though I lack the main ingredient, which is the Italian green beans, which I could not find at the stores, I substituted for the pole beans. By doing that, this will reduce the nutrients. In fact, the protein will be 12 grams. It is healthy, reduces the LDL cholesterol. The fiber will also increase to 10 grams, which will be still healthy and reduces of obesity risks. And in addition, the calories will be 316 calories per 145 gram serving. It will be enough for a meal. It will still be healthy and will also reduce diabetes, health disease, and high cholesterol. The recipe I selected is commonly eaten as a side dish. America has a dish of green beans. It depends on whether it comes out as an appetizer or a main dish. Green beans in America are often cooked in boiling salted water until it is tender, but they are deep fried in Portugal. This is me rinsing the beans. Okay, this is me trimming the beans. Okay, here are the ingredients to the batter. This is the eggs, the flour, the water, the coarse salt, and the white pepper. This is me mixing the batter. Alright, I got the olive oil prepared, and now these green beans are going to be boiled. Alright, these are the American style green beans. They are mixed with salt and butter. Just simply boiled. Okay, this is me mixing these green beans in the batter. Here are the green beans frying in olive oil. I'm gonna add a little pink salt to this. This is the final product. Now it's ready to eat. Let's give this a try. Very good. It's very good. Thank you for watching.